Hi, my name is Ashley Bolton, and today I'm going to be talking about animal testing and how animals are being treated. Have you ever read about how animals are being used for animal testing? Well, I have. Animal testing is where you take the animals in experiments to see control variables that affect the behavior or biological system under study. Animals like rabbits, guinea pigs, and hamsters are being used for these studies. These are the animals that we have as pets, and some people look at as their own children. So when scientists do experiments on animals, it's like doing experiments on your own pets, or in some people's eyes, their own children. Many people have researched animal testing, and I am one of them. Animal testing is cruel and a punishment to animals that have done nothing to harm us. Animal testing is being used for beauty, medicine, and cell structure studies. Beauty industries use many tactics to study how the products work for humans by using animals. Cosmetic companies use a test called the Dury's eye test to evaluate irritation caused by shampoos and other products. To evaluate the irritation, it involves rabbits being incapacitated in stocks with their eyelids held open by clips, sometimes for multiple days. This makes it to where the rabbits cannot blink away at the products being tested. While experimenting on animals, they use lethal dose 50 test, the LD50 test. It involves finding out which dose of chemical will kill 50% of the animals being used in the experiments. The U.S. Department of Agriculture reported in 2016 that 71,370 animals suffered pain during experiments while being given no anesthesia for relief. This includes 1,272 non-human primates, 5,771 rabbits, 24,566 guinea pigs, and 33,280 hamsters. So now that we have looked on how animals are being treated in the beauty industries, let's turn to the medicine studies. The medical field tests on animals as well. They take the medicine that they have created and use it on animals to test. During the 1950s, there was a sleeping pill created called the Thalidomide, which caused 10,000 babies to be born with severe deformities. The sleeping pill was tested on animals prior to its commercial release. Later on, tests on pregnant mice, guinea pigs, and cats and hamsters resulted in no birth defect unless the drug was administered at high doses. Another drug was created for arthritis. It was named Binox. The tests on animals showed that it had a protective effect on the hearts of the mice. Even though the drug showed it had a protective effect, it went on to cause more than 27,000 heart attacks and sudden cardiac deaths before being pulled off the shelves at markets. Now that we have a little more information about the medicine studies on animals, let's look at the cell structure studies on animals. In glass tests, such as studying cell cultures in a petri dish, can produce more relevant results than animal testing because human cells can be used. Human volunteers can use microdosing. The administering of doses too small that will cause severe reactions. After the volunteer's blood it will then be analyzed to see what reactions are happening to correct the substances. Microfluid chips, organs on a chip, can recreate the functions of human organs. The chip is in advanced stages of development. Virtual reconstructions of human molecular structures can predict the toxicity of substances without invasive experiments on animals. In conclusion, animal testing is cruel, but it does have advantages, like humans not being tested on in experiments. It's a real problem, and one that I and most people reading this and hearing this agree with. This animal cruelty due to the lengths they go to perform the experiments. So I ask you, do you understand how animals are being treated for experiments? Does this make you want to help the animals that are being hurt for beauty, medicine, and cell cultures?